on the recording so that you can go through once again. So we have actually two equations. One is x plus y equals to 4. I read once again the question. The line x plus y equals to 4 meets line x plus y equals to 4 meets the curve x plus y equals to 4 meets the curve y equals to 8 minus 5 over x at the point A and B. We need to find the coordinates of midpoint of AB, right? This is the question. So we have been given the equation of a line and a curve. So equation of line is x plus y equals to 4 and equation of curve is y equals to 8 minus 5 over x. Equation of curve is y equals to 8 minus 5 over x. Okay. So now we will solve these two equations to find the point of intersection. Solving, put the value of y from 2 in equation 1. So we have x plus 8 minus 5 over x equals to 4. So taking LCM as x, before that, what we do, we can write x minus 5 over x plus 8 minus 4 equals to 0. Further, x minus 5 over x plus 4 equals to 0. Now, we can take the LCM. We can take x as the LCM in the denominator and multiplying by x. Or we can say you can multiply the whole equation by x. We will get x square minus 5 plus 4x equals to 0. So finally it will become x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0 and x square plus 5x minus 1x minus 5 equals to 0. Middle term is splitting. Taking x common, we have x plus 5 and taking minus 1 common. So we have x plus 5 and x minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 5 and 1. So now put the values of x in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equals to 4. So 4 x equals to 1 and x equal 4x equals to minus 5. We have 1 plus y equals to 4. So y equals to 4 minus 1 and further y equals to 3. So from here we have got the point 1 comma 3. A point is 1 comma 3. Now x equals to minus 5. So minus 5 plus y equals to 4. So y equals to negative 9. So we have 2 points. One is 1, 3. Another is minus 5, comma minus 9. Now we have to find the midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB. Can you tell me the formula for the midpoint?
Yeah.
That is
It's
x1
all in
plus
brackets,
x2. You know
x1
that.
plus
1
x2.
minus 5 over 2.
Yeah.
3 minus 9 over that comes to negative 4 over 2 and negative 6 over 2. So 2, 3, that comes to negative 2, negative 3. This will be the answer. Question number 11 that
Yeah.
we are going to do. Just a minute. Question number 11 is, this is of the same type of question. You need to do yourself now and then send it to me. This question you now need to do yourself. We are doing question number 11. Okay. Question number 11. The line y equals to x minus 3. The line y equals to x minus 3 meets the curve y square equals to 4x at point A and B. Then first question, you have to find the midpoint of AB and then to find the length of AB. Okay. So
Yeah.
we have two curves, x minus 3 and y square equals to 4x. So we have two curves, y equals to x minus 3. Yes, it is. And y square equals to 4x. Y equals to, okay, you did see. We have certain things to do to get the simplest approach. Getting me? If we take y equals to root 4x and then we put in place of y in the first equation, it will be a kind of difficult approach. Getting me? Rather,
Yeah.
what we should do, rather we should do, put y equals to x minus 3 in the second equation. Suppose this is first equation and this is second equation. Put the value of y from first equation to second equation. Then it will be easier one to do that. Okay. So y equals to root 4x. Where is y now? You put, okay, so here equal sign will be there. No, no. It's not correct. Rajveer. It's not correct. Okay, let me make you understand.
Mhm.
See, we need to understand one thing, that is, we have to take the simple approach. Do not make it complicated. Dig me. We have two simple equation, y equals to x minus 3 and y square equals to 4x. So just take the simple approach. If we have y equals to root 4x, there is nothing wrong in that. But we cannot take 4x square and then you just bring x minus 3 into the left hand side without following any basic rules. So that is not correct. Okay.
Okay.
No, this is not correct entirely. It is. Okay. So question number 11. We have y equals to x minus 3. This is the first equation. And second equation is y square equals to 4x. In case I take your approach as well,
Yeah. Yeah.
you did y equals to root 4x. There is nothing wrong in that. And now put this value in equation 1. Put, in place of y, we will put square root of 4x equals to x minus 3. Okay. Now, if we want to remove this square root, what we have to do? we have to square both sides, right?
Yes.
So squaring both sides. If you square it, it will not be 4x square. It will be 4x only. If you square it, root 4x, then what happens? This root will be cancelled out with this square.
Oh, okay.
And here you write, you wrote 4x square, and then just you transpose x minus 3 to the left hand side. That was not correct. So 4x equals to, now use the identity a minus b whole square is a square, that is x square, minus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 3. So this is 4x equals to x square minus 6x plus 9. Subtracting 4x from both sides, it will be 0 equals to x square minus 6x plus. So further we have 0 equals to. So this will be negative 10x. Do you understand?
Yeah, I do.
Yes.
Yeah,
Just
I do.
respond in every step.
Yeah, I have been responding. I don't know. Can you hear me?
So now we have x square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. And Rajvir, can you repeat?
Uh, so are you
Now we
able
have
to
to do.
hear me?
You're not able to hear me. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute.
No, sir. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, I am able to hear you.
Oh, okay, because
Yes, I
I've
am
been
able to hear you.
responding.
Sometimes your, yeah, sometimes your
Okay.
voice breaks, but I am able to hear you.
Okay. Okay. I was just I was just
So we
making sure
have to do
because I've
middle
been
term
responding
splitting.
from before. Sorry?
In the very beginning, we studied about middle term splitting. What we do, we take the product of coefficient of x square and constant term. So coefficient
Okay.
of x square is 1 and constant term is 9. So 1 into 9 is 9. And if we add 1 and 9, we get 10, the middle term. So it will be minus 1 x minus 9x plus 9 equals to 0. Now x is common. So x minus 1 and minus 9 is common. Now it will be x minus 1 and x minus 9. You can see that we have two values of x, that is 1 and 9. Now put these values, put the values of x in equation, any of the equation, in fact, equation 1. Equation 1 is y equals to x minus 3. So y equals to x minus 3. Therefore, y equals to 1 minus 3. Y equals to minus 2. So point is 1 minus 2. And second, if we put x equals to 9, then y equals to 9 minus 3. That is 6. So point is 9 comma 6. So we have 2 points, A 1 comma minus 2 and B 9 comma 6. Now the midpoint the midpoint of AB. 9 plus 1 by 2, 6 minus 2 by 2. That becomes 5 and 3 by 2.
Okay. If this was like a
And second part was
yeah.
find the length of AB. The second part, we have to find the length of AB. We will use distance formula. Okay. 8 square plus 8 square, 128. So that becomes 8 root 2 units. Yes, Rajveer.
Yeah.
Check your answer and confirm me.
The answer is 8.
If we have been given 2 points, suppose a point is a x1 comma y1 and another point is x2 comma y2, then gradient of AB, gradient of AB will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. One thing. Secondly, gradient is also the tangent of angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. Positive x-axis. And what is positive direction? That is anti-clockwise direction, ACW. And equation of a line, if a point is given, suppose x1, y1, and gradient is given as m, then equation of line becomes y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Okay. And if 2 points are given,
Wait, so why
if
would
two
that be then?
points are given, yes, Rajveer.
Why would it be like that? The y minus y1 is equal
Just
to m and then x minus x1.
this is equation of line. If one point, if a line is passing through one point and gradient is given, then we will use this formula. We
Oh,
have
okay.
actually all discussed all these things earlier. Before you got this book and we started equation of line, okay, straight line, curve, then we discussed all these things. You just need to go through once again. X2, Y2. In case you are not able to understand it, whatever you have not noted down in your notebook, then you can go through the Urban Pro. There you will find all the recordings. All recordings will be available for next 1 year. So you can check from there as well.
Yeah.
So if 2 points are given, then equation of line AB will be y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So these two formula we are going to use to find the equation of line. These two formula we are going to use. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to question number 1. Question number 1. Find the equation of line. Gradient is given and point is given. So which form of equation of line we will be using? what is the formula for that, Rajveer?
Formula for?
Finding equation of line if gradient is
Is
given
y minus
2
y1 is equal to
and
m.
it passes through 4 comma 9,
Yeah, so it'll
x
be
minus x1. Correct.
y. Yeah.
So equation of line would be y minus y1, that is 9, equals to m is gradient 2 times x minus 4. So y equals to 2x minus 8 plus 9. So another equation of line will be y equals to 2x plus 1. First part. This is the solution of first part. Check your answer. And B and C part you will be doing yourself at home.
Okay. Yep.
Now finding equation of line passing through each pair of points. Now can you tell me which formula we will apply on this?
For question, well, which one? Sorry.
If 2 points, question number 2,
For question number 2. Okay. Which one? Which one will be? Could we go on to the formula again?
we just discussed, and we also discussed previously as well. One thing that I can notice that you do not go through the things we did earlier. You, whenever we do any class session, any session, please go through once again all these things and try to practice all. See, we just discussed it. If 1 point and gradient is given, then formula is the one y minus y1 mx minus x1. If 2 points are given, then formula is y minus y1 and m is nothing. M is y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Gradient of AB, this is m. So in place of m in the first form of equation, we just put the value, put the formula for gradient. Here we have been given 2 points. Let's say 10 and 56. Question 2a. 10 and these 2 points will be y minus 0, y2 minus y1. This is x1 y1 suppose, and this is x2 y2. Y2 minus y1, that is 6 minus 0 over x2 minus x1. So that becomes y equals to 6 over 4 x minus 1. And further we can 1. This will be the
Okay.
answer.
Yep.
Question number 3, find the equation of the line parallel to the given line and passing through 1 comma 7. Okay. So equation of line parallel to y equals to 3x minus 5. I am making you understand the first one and last one. Okay.
Okay.
However, we had discussed all these things. 3a, equation of line parallel to y equals to 3x minus 5. Parallel to y equals to 3x minus 5 can be written as y k is any constant.
Yeah.
Why have we written y equals to 3x plus k? See, if two lines are parallel, then their gradient are the same. So their coefficient of x and y will remain the same. Only constant term will be different. Okay. So we can write y equals to 3x plus k. K is any constant. Now
Oh, yeah.
the line 1 passes through 1,7. So we will put this value in equation 1. Then we have, in place of y, we will put y coordinate, that is 7. In place of x, we will put 1, x coordinate 3 into 1 plus k. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. K equals to 4. Now put the
Minus
value
4.
of k to get the
Yeah.
equation. Therefore, yes, equation of a required line 3x plus 4. This will be the answer. You can
Okay.
even check the answer. Yes, check it
And this is for
and
this is only for the
confirm me.
parallel line, right? Because parallel lines have the same gradient,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay.
This is for parallel lines. And for gradient, for perpendicular lines, we have different approach.
Could we do one with the perpendicular
For
line?
D part, if two lines are yeah, if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their gradients will be -1. Okay.
Okay.
So we have a line 2x minus 3y equals to 12. 2x
Okay.
minus 3y, equation of a line which is perpendicular to this. So first we will find the gradient. How we will find the gradient? Minus
This is
of
for one.
coefficient of x of y. Yeah.
So that would
So
be x2 minus x1 over y2 minus y1.
this is minus 2. Gradient is 2. Yes, coefficient of x is 2
Okay.
and coefficient of y -3. So we will take, there is another approach as well. You can write 2x minus 12 equals to 3y and divide the whole equation by 3. Divide by 3. So
Okay,
this
okay.
will be 2 over 3x and minus 12 over 3, 4 equals to y 4. Slope intercept form of equation of here. Okay, so either you can find the gradient by using slope intercept form.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
put means write the equation in the form of y equals to mx plus c, or you can directly find the gradient with this approach. Take the negative of coefficient of x and divide it by the coefficient of y. That will be the gradient of the given equation of line. Okay, now therefore equation of therefore gradient of the line perpendicular to the above line whose gradient is 2 over 3. That will be negative 3 over 2. How it is?
Okay.
If two lines are perpendicular, if two
Sir,
lines are
I don't know if you can hear me, but my
perpendicular,
internet
then
is
product of
extremely bad right
gradient
now.
is negative 1. If two lines are product of gradient is, this is the concept. One is 2 over 3, m1 over 3. So 2 over 3 m2 over 2. So gradient is minus equation of line whose gradient is minus m equals to. Okay. So
Sir, my internet is extremely bad currently. Like it's extremely like lagging and delayed from my end.
I understand. I'm just going to finish. Don't worry about that. But you need to do work at home. Okay.
Yeah, I'll finish the work and stuff at home, but yeah,
So
it was
no problem. No problem. You can disconnect for today.
okay.